Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an Aliexpress lash try on haul. Okay, I always talk about how much I love the lashes I get from Aliexpress, and I was like, you know what, let me just do a try on haul so you guys can kind of see it, because pictures are cool, but sometimes it's like I want to see it on your eyes, because I've definitely made the mistake of buying lashes on Aliexpress thinking that they were going to be nice and dramatic, and then it's like, this is way too big and then this is way too little. So just so you guys kind of see what it looks like on someone's eye and kind of get a perspective. Now, we all have different eye shapes, so keep that in mind. Things that look dramatic on me, if you notice you have a smaller eye shape than me, just know that it's probably not gonna look like that on you. It's probably gonna look bigger, more dramatic. And if you happen to have bigger eyes than me, which I feel like my eyes are pretty big, so can't really just get like huge, but if you do, just know it will look a little bit different on you. So this is just for reference, so that way you can kind of get an idea before you like purchase, because I mean, who wants to buy lashes that they're just gonna sit there, you can't do anything with them, you know? No, I just want to help y'all out. So yes, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you're not yet following me. Also, make sure you guys subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Leave a comment down below letting me know what was your favorite lash style. Also, like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And I know I said subscribe, but make sure you hit the notification bell, because YouTube's algorithm, like, it's annoying. Okay, let me just say that, it's annoying. So yes, make sure you guys hit the bell notification. That way when I do upload, you are notified. And let's go ahead and get started. So I have here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I really want to do this video. I really want to do this video. It's gonna take forever. So I have 12 lashes that I'm gonna be trying on for you guys. I already have on one pair. So let me get you guys a little bit closer so we can be up close and personal. Hi friends. So I have on the style 5D80. These are my favorite pair of lashes from Aliexpress. I have so many of these as backups. I wear these in like almost all my videos. I talk about it all the time. So this is what it looks like. All right, so these are the next pair of lashes, and these are like clusters. Like they have wispiness, but in clusters, like really large clusters, and I really like these. These are when you want to be a little chill, but you still want some length. I really like these pair of lashes. I don't know why I don't wear these as often, or I don't have that many like here, but I actually really like these. I should get more of these. All right, you guys, so these are the next pair of lashes, and I'm just letting you guys know right now, I might not apply them the best just because I'm having to apply a lot of lashes on in a short amount of time, but I do love this style a lot. I love the fact that it's very flared out here, and I showed this in one of my previous videos, and I was talking about how you should have, if you have shorter eyes, like you don't have nearly as wide eyes, you're gonna love this style because they don't come too long, so you don't have to cut them. So these are the next lashes, and these also are very flared like the last ones that I showed, but these come much wider. And also the last one was more like the hairs were more consistent. These are also kind of like the ones before the last ones I showed you, where they are in clusters. I really love these. I should honestly get more of these as well. I feel like me trying on all these lashes are like a way of me shopping. Like, what do I need to buy more? I need to buy more of those. I need to buy more of those. All right, so these are a prime example of an Aliexpress fail. So these lashes, the picture looks so much cuter. Like, I'm like, perfect. And then I got them, I'm like, I hate these lashes. So what I hate about these lashes is that they're way too curled. I do not like an overtly curled lash where it's like almost like bending backwards. I don't like that. I think it's very, very unflattering and not cute at all. And these are like that. And then also it has a very blunt cut to it. It's not a nice just feathered out. It looks like someone literally took scissors and chopped it, like chopped it. Okay, so these are the next pair of lashes, and these are why does my eye look like that? Anyways, these look like two separate lashes on my eyes, but I promise y'all that I've never worn these in. Anyways, so yet again, these are lashes that looked really cute online, and then I got them and I was like, these are way too long, like way too long. I like me a long lash, but I don't like it this long. Like I can literally scratch my eyebrow with this. Like I don't like them that long. All right, so these are the next pair of lashes, and I'm gonna be very honest, because I have never tried these on. This is my first time trying this style on, and when I got these in the mail, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, yeah, I don't like those, and I immediately put them to the side, and never cares to look at them again. But I'm kind of mad at myself because I actually like these lashes. These are actually cute. Surprisingly, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I did not think I was going to like these lashes at all. They just looked really long and like not my vibe, but sis about to pull these out of retirement, even though they had never got to do any work. These are cute. Okay, so these are the next pair of lashes, and I love these as well. So if you like the last pair of lashes, but you have smaller eyes, these you're gonna love because they're very similar to them. They just come a little bit shorter as far as like lengthwise and then also widthwise. So yes, if you like that last style, but you don't want to have to do too much extra cutting, then you should definitely check these out. I really, really like these lashes a lot. All right, so these are the next pair of lashes, and let me just say, I love this style. Like, these are very soft, these are very flirty, these are just very, I don't know if I want to say everyday, but they can be everyday. They could be whatever you want them to be. These are definitely soft and definitely more like everyday friendly for sure compared to a lot of other ones I've tried on. This will look good on an array of different eyelids, so I would definitely check these out. These are really, really cute, just soft, like, I love it. All right, so these are the next lashes right here. And these kind of look similar to the other ones I tried on earlier in the haul. Yet again, it's kind of like that crisscrossed lash style in clusters. And they're very long, very spaced out. A lot of people really like lashes like this. I notice a lot of people wear stuff like this. I'm not too crazy about this style of lash. I'll wear it here and there, but it's not really my preference. I like more of a wispy look with a shorter length, just a little bit shorter and more wispied and not nearly as spaced out as these are, but these are still very pretty. All right, so these are the next pair of lashes, and I really love these. I have a couple of these as backups because I love them. Now these are very, they're straight but curled at the same time, but not too curled. And I love how full they are. Like, these are a really nice pair of lash. Imagine this with like a nice dramatic eye. It looks really gorgeous, or something as simple as what I have on. Very, very pretty. I love these lashes a lot. They just look very full, like full in a good way. All right, last pair, and I'm very happy that these are the last pairs because this was tiring. So these are the last pair of lashes, and I can say, to be honest, I'm not really too crazy about these. I think they're yet again that very curled look and has that very blunt cut that I'm not too fond of. Now they do kind of wing out a little bit more on the ends. Yeah, I'm just not too crazy over these lashes, to be honest. I'll wear them in dire need, like if I have nothing left, but I don't see myself buying any more of this style. I'm not too crazy about it, but yeah, this is what it look like. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this lash try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yet again, let me know down below what your favorite style was. Also, if you're not yet following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow your girl at Ask Whitney. Also, make sure you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and hit the bell notification. That way whenever I upload, you guys are notified. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.